Welcome to my channel, The Crazy Glam Planner. And this week we are planning for the week of July 11th through 17th. And I'm using my big dashboard style planner. This week's theme is a summer picnic, and I've labeled it Picnic Dreams. This is a free printable that I designed that you can get in my Facebook group. The link will be below. So I am going to go ahead and put the days of the week on here. As you can see, there are no days of the weeks on here this week because I designed this page, and when I have the stickers to go with it, like I do this week, I don't always put or leave the numbers and days of the week on there. So I did not want to, with this background, I didn't feel, I don't know, I just didn't like the look of putting the numbers. So I left the numbers on the page, and we are just printing out, I just printed out the days of the week on here. So, and I guess I could have just fast forward through here. So if you don't want to watch this part, probably already have, fast forward. I'm trying to make my videos short and sweet. I think I had more fun designing it this week though than I am going to have actually planning. Although, don't get me wrong, I do love the planning. So I've got a little bit of strawberry wine on a hot summer day for a picnic. Put that up here. And I put lines on the bottle, so that gives you writing space right there. And I actually designed, I do have 2 pages this week, and I probably will continue that because I kind of designed this page to have a little bit of extra larger things if you have a larger planner. It did cut a little bit off, and that was my fault. My mat needs to grip a little better. Okay, and alright, so I've got those down. I do have some things going on this week. Actually, I was thinking about putting the little picnic thing up here. Sorry, all over the place, I know. Yeah, I think it's not what I had designed it for, but I like the little spread up there. Alright, so what do we have going on this week? Alright, so this is actually a week I have stuff planned. Wow, okay. So I have something Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Let's see. And alright, so I'm gonna use one of my designs on this one. On Tuesday, I am getting my bottom braces off. So let's put my little dentist thing in there. And I actually designed, these say brace face days. I don't know if you can see that in there. I like to put that here on the bottom. At the end of the week, I will have had my braces for 718 days. And although Tuesday I'm losing my bottoms, I am, however, still gonna have my tops. So, see, that's car repair, and then this one is going to be, how do I want that little, I don't know how well that is showing up or not, but that's little berries on the little cloth there for the picnic. Oh, right. Did not expect quite, it's been a while since I've actually had a busy week. Page here, and of course we cannot forget the weekend, although I'm going to see here. Okay, here's some washi I've had for a while, and it's literally cloth, so I can't just tear it. It is cloth with sticky, and I thought it would go great with this thing, although it is not easy to work with because it's like they cut it on the bias, so it's a little stretchy. And for all those that don't sew, the bias means it was basically cut diagonal to the weave. And I don't know how well that's going to stick on there with that being the fabric. So we'll see if I don't have to add more to it later. Okay, so let's see. I think I'm going to put this one over here. See, I don't want to cut it. Kind of get a little something over here. So you already have lists for this side. Oh, I'm getting off camera. I'm so sorry about that. Here we go. Also, in case if you don't have washi and you want washi, I've included some in the printable. So I am going to put the little red up here, like it's hanging out on the picnic cloth. And let's see, Saturdays, there's always something to do. And if I know me, Thursday and Friday, let's go ahead and put something there. Not a lot of clustering this week. Let's see. Like I said, honestly, I had so much fun designing this. It was crazy fun doing this. I know I still have that one on me. So I'm going to do that one here. This is blue. So just give you my thought process. Put that one there. And then, there we go. Kind of put it down there. I think I want the bread to actually be on top of that one now. Let's see if I can't lift it up. If not, I've got some undo. This makes me want to go on a picnic, and this is a meat and cheese and wine picnic. Well, there's no cheese actually in this bread. There's a little bit here if you can see it, but I didn't incorporate much of it in there. Right now we're 100 degrees outside, so yeah, there's not going to be any any picnic anytime soon. It's just too much. See, I'd like to put a little something there on Friday just because. Let's turn that one sideways. Put that there, and let's do the red. I'm like mix matching it. That'll work too. There we go. And Sunday, let's use the blue. I don't think this is coming out well on camera, and I fixed these. These are little hearts, but because of the way of the basically blue picnic blanket underneath it, you can't really tell that well. However, when you go to print them, I put a little bit of an outline there so you can see, you'll be able to see the checklist hearts there a little better. See, and I've got a few things left over, which I will use for my other planner. So let's see, there was some things I need to plan here. I take a B12 shot on Tuesdays and on Saturdays. And if you like the little B12, I'm going to upload those also in my Facebook group, the Crazy Glam Planner. See, I already put the payday down there. Sorry, what I'm looking at off camera is I have kind of pulled out some of the stickers I was going to use. I also have a pocket planner, so I pulled out some things that would go into that one. These are for yesterday. I didn't update my planner yet. See, this one is watercolors, and I believe I had saw something in here I wanted, and I didn't mark it. I am not going to sit there and flip through all that. This one is an old one, so if you need, I don't think I'm going to use them, but this one is an, oh gosh, I've had it forever. They weren't even naming them, so just, you know, 30 sheets, just stickers. I've had this one a long while. Okay, dates and holidays. I did need to use this one for the July up here. Okay, what I like about printables, and I've been using printables almost from the get-go. Got a lot of them for Victoria Thatcher, and Monica Marvels is she's still my favorite, well, outside of Victoria. And what I liked about the printables is that the elements are already there for you. You don't have to grab sticker books. Will this match? Will that match? It's already outlined for you, and it's just up to you to put them together. I want to put something up there. Sorry, it kind of got me. Tipped me off. It's like, wait a minute, I want to do something different. ADD showing here. And I thought about adding some flowers here. This one had some pretty red flowers that I thought might go well. Is that red or is that pink? That's the red, okay. Let's see here. Because I mean, come on, if you're outdoors, yeah, you're outdoors at a picnic, you're gonna have, oh no, don't do that, don't. The paper I use when the sticker sticks, it sticks. It's a good 32-pound paper. So I like, it's not too heavy, it's not too thick, but also it will, oh, here's one. It doesn't ghost as much. There's actually stuff on the back of this page and you can barely see it, which is what I love. Let's see, this one over here. And I'm sorry, we have a new kitten who just dropped a whole bunch of my planning stuff that I had pulled off to the side that I was going through. He just knocked it all down on the floor. See, I'm gonna put some flowers. I'm gonna put some flowers up there. Okay, and this is Colorful Boxes. Is where I'm getting this one, getting the flowers from. And there wasn't a whole lot. At first, there's just like this section right here. At first, I thought, was that it? That's all I'm gonna get. Is that the red? Yes, I think it's the red. No, that one's the pink. I just thought it was red. It looks kind of red, but it's not really. Okay, where were they? Here we go. I think I decided those were pink as well. I guess I'm going to use all the red up in this one. Okay, I really wanted it straight across up here. So like I was saying with the printables, you don't even have to. That's pink? No, that's pink. That's the pink, I think. It's hard to see. Yeah, that's the pink one. That's the red. That's not even red. Okay, that one is red. Red. Okay. I mean, look, maybe it is red and I'm just not seeing it properly. Okay, it is red. This one is red, but that one is not. But I really did not want a square right there. I wanted it flat. Let's see, and there are no reds on this one. And that is it. Okay. So, oh, okay. I am, because the way that it hangs down, I don't like the way that looks right there. So I'm going to do a little sticker surgery. And just kind of follow it along the path there and just make it look like it's supposed to be right there. Okay, and then this one I can put over there. Nope, I don't like the way that one did. Let's see, let's finish cutting off this one rose and I think it'll work. Okay, I think that is actually it because I can't remember why I had this one out. Let's have a picnic. Okay, and I have extras. Okay, and I did call this one Picnic Dreams. And if you get the printable, if you send it through, well, if you send it through a machine, I have everything outlined for you already. So the machine should pick up. If it doesn't pick that up, it will. I'm trying to think of the right words of how to do it. I've just been doing it so long I don't know how to say it. Because I have a silhouette and I do the outline. So if you do the outline, it's going to pick up a very light gray outline around everything. And I even did that around the Picnic Dreams in case you would like to know what it was. And I have a thing that I do. It's not even just mine. But I like to, when it's a free printable, I like to put down there where I got it from. So if I'm going through, maybe I liked that printable and I didn't save it, or I want to check back with that designer, that kind of thing. So since I did this one, I'm definitely going to put mine down there so that I know I created this one. Well, if I can get the sticker off, there it goes. I did not outline that one. All right, and here we go. Here is my July 11th through 17th spread. I hope you have a wonderful week. If you do go for a picnic, stay hydrated. Don't forget your water over here. A glass of wine is good, but make sure you have your water too. When it's this heat, I do 2 waters to 1 alcohol if I'm outside in it. It's just got to be safe. Don't drink and drive. And of course, it's July, so I guess that's the watermelon crawl, even though this is a picnic. Because you know there's got to be a watermelon in the background over there. Come on, it's a picnic. There's watermelon. Well, have a wonderful week. Thank you for watching. Thumbs up. Go download that free printable. If you have any questions, message me. I'll be glad to help as much as I can. I will do custom designs if I can. I will do a custom design. Just ask and I'll see what I can do for you. Right now, I'm not really charging for anything, so if it's really difficult, we'll talk. But generally right now, I'm just doing free printables. It's a hobby and I enjoy doing this. Have a wonderful week. Thank you for watching.